Welcome to the review channel. Today guys, we're checking out this bird feeder with a camera in it. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I really like this one guys because not only does it come with several different mounting brackets, so I'll be able to mount it pretty much anywhere I want, but also this one has a solar charger. So unlike my other one where I have to bring it in and recharge the camera every now and then, this one will be able to stay outside pretty much all year. I've decided to set this up on this post because it allows me to set the solar panel directly behind it facing the sun, and it looks into the garden where I think there's going to be quite a few birds coming looking for food. And now we'll download the app and connect it to the camera, allowing us to get pictures of all our different birds that'll come and get to the feeder. The app also allows you to share videos, and you can see ones that other people have posted. And it's easy to fill. We just flip up the top and pour the seed in. It's all right that I spill a little, the squirrels will get it. And it won't take them long at all to find this thing. Before you know it, we got all kinds of birds here eating. I did have to move the bird feeder because the Wi-Fi signal wasn't quite strong enough. I was trying to shoot it through too many buildings and it just wasn't working. I had signal, but it would disconnect occasionally and I didn't like that. So we moved it a little closer to the house and hopefully we can get some birds over here. So I mounted mine with this metal clip. And after the first night, I've started bringing the bird feeder in at night because I had a family of raccoons climb on it and the weight of two of them had bent it down. And I just bent it back, but if you keep bending it back and forth, it's just gonna get weaker. So I bring it in at night and that prevents that from happening. If for any reason you need to take the camera out, or if it comes loose for any reason, there's a screw back here that holds the camera in. This right here just twists out and that'll hold the camera in place. And you can tip the camera up and down a little bit to get better shots of the birds. Within the first couple days, I've gotten some blue jays and a couple other birds. I think this is definitely a win.